Hello friends, welcome. In our kitchen, if sink is clogged, if physical methods are not helpful, what is the chemical method? What is the chemical treatment we can do? How we can remove the clogging? That is what today we are going to discuss. In market, there are many chemical based drain openers are available. Even enzyme based drain openers also available. All are either costly or heavy chemicals. But this method is simple process, economy process, eco-friendly process and also highly effective process. In this method, we are going to use three simple materials to remove the clogging: baking soda, vinegar, and hot water or boiling water. That's all. The method is: first, we have to add 1 cup of baking soda in mouth of the sink. We need to allow the baking soda to sit for few minutes. Then we have to add vinegar. After adding the vinegar, what will happen? Immediately fizzing reaction will take place. Air bubbles, more exactly speaking, carbon dioxide will be released. So that carbon dioxide is drain opener. And also we are adding vinegar, acid. So in kitchen sink, the clogging is mainly due to fat and oily matter. Acid is capable of dissolving oil and fatty matters. So instantly that clogging will be removed. If necessary, we can repeat the process once or twice till we are getting the complete removal of clogging. But here one important point we need to discuss, that is safety. While we are adding the vinegar, there is possibility for releasement of gas, carbon dioxide gas. There is possibility for splashing out. So we have to wear the safety equipments, goggles and mask, and also we have to keep our face as much distance as possible. And finally, we are giving hot water or boiling water rinsing. This is eco-friendly method because we are using simple chemicals: baking soda, vinegar. So these are all the materials we are using. And due to this reaction, there are three products. One is carbon dioxide gas. It is the drain opener. Second one is a salt. And third one is water. That's all. Of course, that salt is completely dissolved in water. So it will not stay in the kitchen sink or wherever the lines. And also finally we are giving hot water treatment, hot water rinsing. So there is no possibility for stagnation of salt in lines. So this is safe and effective method. In case of professional methods, professionals may use some heavier chemicals like caustic soda or hydrochloric acid or even some other chemicals or some other physical methods. But for our home, for our purpose, this is very simple and effective method. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in our upcoming videos.